What is up, 11 Series Bass family? It's your boy Cruz right here. And happy New Year's to all of you. Happy 2023. Hope everybody had a great evening of celebration with friends and family, no matter where you were. And that 2022 was good to you, and that 2023 will even be better. So we're out here, guys, New Year's Day. I know a lot of you saw my New Year's Eve video, which was a success. I finally went out and caught some bass. Super pleased about that. I had went a couple weeks without catching anything, even out in the frigid cold when we had that big cold front come through Houston. I still was unable to get a freaking bite, guys. So we are gonna fish today. I mean, we're not gonna fish anything new. We're just gonna go out here, do some fishing. I got probably every one of my fishing rods in the back of my truck, so we can fish just about anything. I do have some swim baits here, but I think the main thing we're gonna go out today, guys, is we're gonna fish this jackhammer, which is a green shad color, 3/8 of an ounce. And we're just gonna go out here and just see if we can catch some New Year's bass. New Year's Day bass. Our first bass of 2023 is really what we're looking to do. Do we want it to be a monster? You're damn right, we want it to be a monster. We got some lipless crankbaits, we got some crankbaits, we got some jerk baits, we got some soft baits, we got umbrella rig, we got the 6 cents umbrella rig tied on. So we are gonna go out here and just try to catch us some bass at the end of the day. Yeah, I appreciate all of your guys' support of the channel. I know I say it all the time, but I truly appreciate you, especially to the ones that have sticking around and continue to always show me some love and support on the channel with my sporadic upload of videos. I truly appreciate all of you guys for your support. Hopefully 2023 will see us break that 1K subscribers. That would be pretty awesome if we could do that. But yeah, it all depends on you guys. If you like the videos and content, you know, you can subscribe. If you don't have to. It is what it is. It's free, don't cost nothing. Doesn't bother me whether you're not subscribed or not. Yeah, so let's get this top tied on and get fishing, because I think we're talking too much. Let's get out on the water. Peace. All right, 11 Series Bass family, we're out here, guys, with the jackhammer. I think it's shad green, I think is what I called it. We have the old 6 cents well on it, a 3.5 inch. Just to be honest with you guys, because I want to be honest, always be honest on this channel. I've already caught 2 bass. I was on the phone with my mom, and I didn't want to record because I just walked out here, and they went to the Ohio State Georgia game last night. So I wanted to make sure they made it home and kind of talk to them, see how they're doing. So while I was talking to my mom, I was fishing. I ended up catching one, got on the bank. I'll include some pictures right here. And then I caught another one that I got to the bank and he popped off. He was a little bit better, but since then I haven't had any bites, but we are continuing to walk down the bank, and hopefully we can catch us some more bass, guys. So let's get back to fishing. Oh, shh. All right, guys, the whale tail is not working as well as I would like, and that's mostly because this keeper. So on, if you can see on the jackhammer, it's got these double prongs, and it rips the 6 cents plastic very well. So we're gonna switch to this bunker. This one's got a little more of elastic to it. I think this is gonna stick to that jackhammer better than the whale tail. Let's see. I like that look a lot better. That looks a lot better. Let's give that a try. You guys seeing my crotch, which I'm sure you don't want to see that. All right, let's try. Let's try this on the back of it and see what we can get. Might oh, it looks just as good in the water. Let's see how long this will last on the back of this chatterbait. I like the action of it. I mean, they're really flopping all over the place. Had those first 2 bites right away when I got out here, and nothing since then. Like nothing. Me. Shit. I'm about to lose this bait. I know I am. Shit. Well, I think what it was, guys, is they want a tail on the end of this. They don't want the creature style. Both bass that I hit, that I caught earlier, were on the whale tail. So I'm thinking we're gonna go back to the whale tail. The bongo just isn't working, and I should have put this in front of some bass already that should have wanted it, and it's just not. They don't want it. They want that whale tail. So let's change it. Let's go back to that whale tail that we were using with the pink bottom. I think that's the one they really wanted. All right, we got the whale tail back on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. Oh, he came off. God dang it. Son of a biscuit eater, guys. So I've missed 2. Caught 1 so far, guys. That is horrible, horrible numbers for your New Year's Day. There we go. Please tell me I was recording. That was so cool, guys. Like literally he came up and bit it as soon as it hit the ground. I stopped it on the bottom and he got it as soon as I stopped it. He's a little guy, but hey, I got a bass for 2023 on the camera. There you go, guys. Little guy. All right, go get bigger, dude. All right, guys, so that's 2 catches, 2 misses. Not the best odds, and another backlash. Golly, guys. I am getting a lot of these backlash. I need to adjust something. This is not good at all. Shimano, I never get backlash on this Shimano DC. Never. This is so crazy. Yeah. So, okay, love you, Moosh. Bye. Oh, there we go. On the phone with Zozo, and I caught one on the phone with you. There we go, bringing me good luck, Moosh. Yes, you are. There we go. I gotta get him on the bank now. Yes. Oh yeah, this is a good one too. Okay, love you, Moosh. Bye. I will. Bye. All right, guys, sorry about that. I was on the phone with my daughter. She wanted me to run HEB. Look at that one. Probably the best fish of 2023 so far. What a good sized bass. Probably a good solid 2 pounds probably. There we go. Swallowed that. Well, didn't swallow jackhammer, but got him right in the lip. Big, thick, healthy bass. Beautiful color on him. Beautiful color. Let's get that off. There we go. Let's get another look at that girl. Wow. What a good, healthy bass, guys. Here we go. Let's get one more good look at that girl. Get her back in the water. All right. I'll take that. What a good fish. What a really good fish. All right, girl, get out of here. Caught her right off that edge up there. I figured she'd be up there shallow. That's exactly where she was. See if there's any more out here. Sorry about that, guys. I was on the phone with my daughter. You guys hear me talking about HEB and dinner. I apologize. She wanted me to get her some ice cream and then get some dinner too. So my niece is staying over at the house. So they came over last night on New Year's Eve. So got another one, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Stay on. Stay on. Please tell me I'm recording. Yes. Turned out to be a pretty good video, guys. Even though I missed some at the beginning. Another solid bass, guys. Another solid bass. Yeah, another 2 pounder, I would say. Definitely a solid bass. Right in the top of the mouth. He wasn't hooked very well, but another solid bass. All right, another New Year's Day bass. Let's get this girl back in the water. I gotta kind of toss her in there. She was only out for a second, just enough to get her on hooked. Yes. There we go. Inside the tunnel. Please tell me I'm recording. Yes. Inside the tunnel, guys. Yes. He inhaled it too. Look at that. All right, in the roof of the mouth. Here we go, the Zman Jackhammer. And this guy's got a wound on his back. What a stud. All right, there we go. Let's get him back in the water. All right, dude, get out of here. Let's see if we can get another one. All right, guys, that is it for me. New Year's Day 2023. What a day, or what an afternoon of fishing. I think I caught 5 or 6 bass with missing 2. May have been 5, missed 2, so I could have had 7. Not too bad, guys. I will take that all day long for a start of 2023 fishing adventures with 11 series bass. I appreciate you guys staying with me, supporting the channel. Thank you very much, and let's look forward to a great year of fishing. I'll see you on the water. Peace.